you like I need you, baby? Don't you need you like I need you now? Hmm. Tsaka, memorize mo na? Sige. Andoro diretso ha.
Wikang Panlahat, Luzon, Visayas, Pinas, Mindanao. Communities guys, sabay-sabay ang mga grupong Pilipinas sa Pinas. Kakaisa, pinagyaman ang lalo ang wika nila. Ilocano, Bisaya, Marin ang tauso. Sa wikang wika, Pilipinas, Egso, Chabacano, Cebuano, Ilonggo, marami pa. Pagsaluwat, maring bigay ng dakilang ha. Iba't ibang salita man ang banggit. Sa puso't kaluluwa'y iisa lang ang gamit. Buong pagmamahal ating itong ipagpunyagi. Kayamanan ng buhay, tubo at lahi. Mayamang kultura kanyang sinasalamin. Makuloy na tradisyon ay pinawala. Wikang pagbansa ay wikang panlahat. Sa gisag
Gamitin.
ay gamitin ang tama't panglingkurang tapat. Sa gisag ng sandigan
Kalayaan.
Sa gisag ng kalayaan, sandigan ng katapatan. Tama.
Sige na, diretso lang. Hindi magtama-tama. Wikang
Pilipino nooy ating ipinaglaban.
Doon mo muna, kaya diri man duro diretso. Naway
Naway
ingatan.
ingatan.
At laging alagaan. Ito mo muna. Hi, Werner. You're beautiful. Thank you, Werner. Mariapan. Hello there, how are you? I'm fine. Hula Linsalda. Hi. Beautiful dress. Beautiful dress. Don't you want to like an... Sige, tuumon mo lang. Ikaw na, haliun mo ano. Haliun mo, butang mo dito ang plus ano na. Haliun mo dito ang papel.
Ay, butang ko lang dito ang papel.
Tapos magtuom ka. Panalibiming. Ano dito? Either Erdem at 7. Hi Erdem. Hello beautiful princess, how are you? Hi Harley. Very smile. Very slim body. Yes. Hello from Turkey. Hi Erdem from Turkey. Hi baby girl Bobby Muhammad. Black bra. Yes. Kailangan pa bang sabihin yan? Obviously, it's a black. Hello from New Zealand. Hi, Timatanga characters. Hello from New Zealand. Thank you for the thumbs up. Thank you for the thumbs up. Thank you po sa tumamsak. Hot weather here. Sun here.
Mayamang kultura kanyang sinasalamin. Makuloy na tradisyon.
Don't you want to like I need you, baby?
Gamitin mo tama panglingkurang kapal. Sa gisag ng kalayaan, sandigan ng katapatan.
Have a great evening. Just saying hi. Hi. Thank you, Timatanga characters from New Zealand. Thank you for joining me here. Thank you for joining the ride. How much for 30 minutes? What? I'm fine, Azar.
Ama,
What?
di na.
Thank you for the...
Ingatan.
No makeup, natural beauty.
Naway.
Thank you, Mariapan. I don't know how to make up. Just
Ama,
lipstick.
alam ko na, naway at laging alagaan.
Aram mo yun, Gab. Ito,
Lubos na mahalin. Kailan may
No lipstick, yes. No lipstick.
Kailan may huwag.
Kotohan time. Yes. How much money for 30 minutes with you? Huh? How much money for 30 minutes with you? Millions. I need millions. Samnang. Hi, Samnang.
Ama, para kay, binatang ko baga di ba masabi mo na pila. Para irat, ano man na?
Kailangan dur-diretso lang. Nakasilponon ka naman, di ba? Where I'm from Philippines. Beautiful girl. 500 US dollars. No. Not enough. Philippines. Yes, I'm from Philippines. Life of Josh. Hi, Life of Josh.
Ate, may life is siya. Sabay mo.
Me too. Taga Philippines din ako. Ah, talaga? Saan po kayo dito sa Philippines? Rafa. Hi, Rafa, Rafi.
Si Rapa, kilala ko yung klase ko rin.
That's like 3 months pay at your job. No. Three months pay at my job? No.
Kaya mana ng buhay. Malamang kultura kanyang sinasabi. Makuli na tradisyon na pinagawa. Ikang pagbansa ay ikang panahon.
Hello, beautiful, and I miss Philippines so much. Hi, Wendell Scott. Thank you. Hello, Sheryl, Ray, and the Philippines. Thank you for the thumbs up, everyone. Sino ang paborito mong artista? Keanu Reeves. Leonardo DiCaprio. Kumusta po? Kumusta din?
Sa gisag ng kalayaan, sa gisag ay sa silingan ng katapatan.
Thank you for the thumbs up po.
Ingatan. Ingatan.
Butang mo yung dulo din mo kay pa.
Away ingatan at laging alagaan. Lubos na. Lubos na.
Don't you want to like I need you, baby?
Kailan may
Thank you for the thumbs up. Hi Langga, ang paborito kong artista ay si Ashtin Olvega. Okay.
Mama,
So, tuomon mo yun. Pag pinatuom ko ikaw, so na di ka naman nakatuom.
ay, mama. Ay, ate mo. Wala ka naman. Basta.
How about I pay you $10,000 a year and come work for me? What work? What is work? Hi Miguel. Baboy humba. Hello. Tud sa maayo langga. Salamat sa ano. Oh my goodness.
Masano may mo na gulaman.
Galaman. Mamaya.
Hindi niya day. Yan o.
Hara, kauno na to. Just housework here in America. Houseworker. Kung mayroon kang $5 million, ano ang iyong gagawin? Me, kung mayroon akong $5 million, ano ang aking gagawin? My God. Hirap ang tanongin kasi mahirap magkapera eh. Pag nagkapera na ako, I will save it to the bank for the 5 million. Tapos pagtatay ako ng negosyo. Tapos, paunti-untiin ko yung magkaroon ng bahay, sasakyan. Unahin ko muna yung yung negosyo, yung source of income. Kasi pag naubos yung 7 million, 5 million, saan tayo pupulutin? Rent, fee, and meals paid. Really? How do the secrets habit now? Ito ba mga anak mo? No, pamangkin ko po. Pamangkin ko po sila. Ay, yung lalaki, yung isa, yung anak ko yung lalaki. You're looking at an impossible visa tuition afford. Yeah. Yeah, I see. Lakukan kebiasaan, what means? Tuyo-tuyo ko ng galay kita. I even give your car. Really? For free? Gandang tanghali, idol. Hi, Joey Alvarez. Gandang tanghali din. Junior Santos, Juju. Hi. Life of Josh, maganda ka. Ay, salamat po. Thank you po, Life of Josh. Not free, you work for me. What do you see? Do we have a deal? No, no deal. I don't. Even it's free, no deal. It's a no deal. Sorry. Magtatrabaho ka ba talaga sa ahol? No po, hindi. Hindi po. Hindi po, life just. Hindi po. No deal siya, no deal. You miss my comment. What province are you? Sorry po. Province, I live in Bicol province here in the Philippines. Ray and the Philippines. I live here in the Bicol province. Bili ka ng magic carpet langga. Opo. Bili ng magic carpet. Okay, I'm in Tagaytay. You're here in the Philippines, Ray. Welcome here in the Philippines. You must. I am joking. Yes, I know. I know you're joking. Thank God kasi medyo creepy ang mga tanong ganito, no offense. Yes, medyo creepy siya. My offer is real. Well, if your offer is real, sorry I'm not interested. Thank you for for offering that, but I'm not. My life here in Bicol is not not so easy, but I'm I'm fine here. What is your favorite thing about Bicol? Zumba. Paluwa yan. I do Zumba here. So sad. I'm sorry, Ahol. Maybe in another, you will find another work here. Sorry. Nagkarigos kami. No other could be like you. Oh, sorry. Ano ang paborito mong pagkain? Bicol Express po. Bicol Express po, Life of Josh. No, dapat napapakuto ka pero may main kay mabaho ang kaya ng mga ano so ang mga balisan dito.
Boy, kada boy. Boy. Ay, boy, kamu na. Boy.
Uh, what? I have an eye for good souls. Okay, you someone deserve you. Hi, Tyler Robbins. Your favorite thing is Zumba. I see lots of Filipinas doing Zumba at the mall. Yeah, I do Zumba here. Sige, sige. I do Zumba here, Sir Ray. Yes, come here. Who's there? Hello, hi Golden, welcome back. A very long time no here. Can you tell the girl in the front of you na ang cute niya talaga? Hi, Min! Ano masasabi mo? Ang cute niya talaga. Si Main. Her name is Main. Barbero Brother. Hi, but from Butuan. But from Butuan City. Hi, Barbero Brother from Butuan City. Welcome po. From Bicolana, Bicol. Hey, cutie, is that your daughter? No, she's my niece. She's my niece. Min, magandang pangalan. Main. She's a main. She's main. Cuteness. Thank you, Sir Ray. Anong paborito mong pelikula? Titanic. Titanic and Flames. Bugs are beating her. Yeah. Yeah. Bugs are biting her. That's why I need to the bags. Okay, I will try to view some of your reviews later. Going to get back to work on next video. Thank you so much, Ray, in the Philippines. Thank you so much for visiting my live here on YouTube. Thank you. God bless and take care. Thank you, Sir Ray. Thank you, Sir Ray. You have hair oil. Yeah, hair oil. You are her. Hi. I don't understand. You put that in and she should stop biting her. Okay. I will. They. Okay. Thank you, Golden. Kulang na kulang ba? Thank you for the thumbs up, everyone. What are you doing, Golden, now? You're not sleeping? Still wake up? It what? It works best if you have olive oil or shea butter hair oil. Okay, no olive oil here. Even the butter oil. Just oil. BB oil. Kulang na kulang ba? Hindi pa ba sapat? Yun ang gusto mo lahat. Panahon ko sa'yo. BB oil, yeah. BB oil is not hair oil. Okay, sorry. You use BB oil as hair oil. Yes, before I use it. Really, I did not. You can use that as hair oil. Yeah, I use it when I'm young. I use it BB oil as hair oil. You may need to wash your hair. Yeah. Hello, Philip. Yes, Golden. After she will shower. You may need to wash your hair. Yes, Golden. Thank you, Golden. Hindi ka ba sapat? Inubos ko lahat. Panahin ko sa'yo. Ang pagkakalin. Kulang ako talaga. They can go back, it and shake, and it'll be faster and easier for you. Yeah, yeah, Golden. So many eggs. Thank you for the 15 thumbs up. Thank you for 16 thumbs up, everyone. Kulang ako. So thank you for the 3 people. Bakit hinahanap ang iyong pangalan? bakit ba kailangan pang umalis? Huwag ka nang umalis. Hi, channel. Hello, channel. Hi, how are you? First time here having this. Ah, yeah. Yes. Yes, Gaudi. Oh my god. Hot here. Hot weather here. First time.
Galit lang. Ito ko baga? Hindi na ito nag-highlight. Ay, gano'n.
Ayun na, sus. Do you have a daughter? No. I have one kid. It's Gab. No daughter, just son. Only one. Pakiusap ko na wag ka na. Sabihin na ayaw mo na. Oh my god, okay. Thank you, Golden. Naku, matilong ano ko. Hi everyone, thank you for the 8 viewers. guys. Nakatulog. Nanghanan na naman. Pwede mag-rusa ang koto. You have a good eye. Me? Eye bags. My eye vision is still 20/20 vision. Perfect. You have founding them. Founding. Yes. Founding, founding. What time is there? Time here 1:44 in the afternoon here. Thank you for the thumbs up, everyone, for giving the thumbs up. Thank you, guys. Kapag ako ay nagmahal. Oh, nakatuong ka na, Gab? Opo. Same time, but it's morning. Okay. Same time. Morning there, afternoon here. Okay. Wait, my time is 1:45 and it's still morning. Yeah. You live here and you live at the US channel. See? Iwa kung kami. Renz Labrian, hi. But ano pangalan sa anak mo, te? Ang ganda kasi. Hindi ko siya anak. Pamangkin ko siya. Sorry. Renz Labrian. Hi, Falgona Media. Hello, The Rat. 6:46 in the morning. Yuki here. Hi, welcome po, The Rat from UK. You're so pretty. Thank you, Sonia. DJ Boroka, you will get out of the struggle. A positive woman as you always will overcome and embrace your challenges. Your happy spirit is full and hopeful which you a citizen can find despite better life. What? Cute naman bibi mo. Hindi ko siya bibi, pamangkin. Pamangkin po. Anak siya ng ate ko. Thank you for the sound sack. May wagon men, may wagon. Hindi ako nalilibang ako. Curtis Carter, hello. Bless your heart po. Keep putting the Lord Jesus Christ first and the rest will follow. Thank you. DJ, single ka pa ba? No. How do you have 6 watching and 24 likes while 2 200 2,000 what subs? No, it's 2. Yes. Thank you, channel. I don't know. Just happened. Batog na naman.
Ano yung kay binasura mo? Ano yan? Adidas? Adidas?
Ang kagabi yun. Anong binasura? Ikaw ang nagkaon. Tinakpan ko lang. Hindi sinuwagin. No, it's thank you. Curtis Carter, you are a child of God and your energy is beautiful and your spirit is strong. Ah, thank you, Curtis Carter. Hello, goodbye. Argentina, love me, amor mio. What? Renz Labuayan. What? Renz? Pwede ba kitang ligawan? Ayun lang. Hindi na. Hindi na pwede. May nagmamay-ari na sa akin. I'm not available. Char. Hindi na. At hindi papanggap pa ba ko na ako nasa Pwede ba? No? Life is weather lang. Starting all over again. Mod free today. Hi sponsor. Bye channel. God knows tonight you cried, so let not your heart be troubled. He misses your beautiful souls. So get closer to his heart. He will want all this angel to be ready, your Lord, your Queen. Wow. Artist Carter. Beautiful, beautiful message. Hi, Rocio. Hi, ma'am. Dan subscribe po Paris back. Opo, ma'am. Thank you po sa pag-subscribe sa akin. Balikan ko po kayo after live. Sana di ko makalimutan. Nakakalimutan ko. Kung hindi ako nararapat sa'yo. Hi, Aquino Orca. Hi, Aquino Orca. Nagagaw kami. Ayun nga yan. Ngayon namin. Thank you sa 26 thumbs up. Sa nagkukuto talaga eh.
Please come here.
Gab na ang gusto mo, Gab.
Hoy, kwarta.
Ang bakalan mo?
Burger.
Din.
Ano kita ganda? Dusek.
Gusto mo mas gawin? Ha?
Bali 24. 24 oras.
24 oras. Burger. Dua ka mo nito.
O kaya ano na lang. Eh, mahal pa rin yung chickens.
Burger. Wait lang min, tama na min. Hagab. I'll be back. I wash my hands. Don't go away. Wait. I just wash my hands. Thank you guys. Hi everyone. Hello. Welcome back. I'm back again. Baka lang ako dito kita mo ni Dragon Seed.
Mama, ano na lang. Rich choco.
Tapos ako Dragon Seed. Dua.
Diba?
Opo. Hi Hakwad. You're well here. Hello, you're welcome. Hi Hakwad. Hakwad. Thank you for the 17 people watching me here. Thank you. 29 thumbs up. Thank you guys. Salamat. Helmi Torpaco. Hi Helmi. Hi from Finland. Hello from Finland. Thank you for 17 people watching. Tommy, penny. People, mama, nay, Tommy. From, how old are you? Helmi. Thank you, son of the heart. Hackrat. Oh, yes, I love him. I'm a nature lover. Thank you for the thumbs up. 30 thumbs up. Yes, I got it. I got it. I found the love for me. Thank you for the 31 people here. Thank you. Thumbs up. Thank you 14. 20 more. Oh my god. Age, I'm 40 years old. I'm 40 years old. Thank you for watching. Hackrat. Thank you. Hoy, salamat Kuya Gab.
Mila, scam ako sa raptor ko.
Raptor, you wanna come to Ireland?
Raptor.
Oh, nice country, the Ireland. Hi, my love, Anthony Rivas. Hello, Anthony.
Wala. Gusto nila. Wala ko. Good master. Mila. Ay, may number 9 Padmalan. Okay.
Daniel, hello, la puro laba.
Diba? Hello. Oh, ayun.
Yes, I'm here in the Philippines. Thank you for the 33 thumbs up. I live here in the Philippines.
Iladan pagkatan ay dua.
Daniel. I can donate Donate for what? Blood?
Go.
Hi, Terry. Hello.
Hindi pa nga.
What? You can
Meron ka na
donate
elder strawberry.
money. Wow.
Adi, ayun na. Ba't ang ikaduwa na mahalon? Yeah. Elder strawberry. Ano?
Why you donate money? You want to help me? Thank you for you got Cash App, PayPal. I have no Cash App and PayPal. How old are you? I'm 40 years old. Guziman.
Ano yan, bago ng update.
I have no Cash App because that what you on the online. Yeah. I only have ba yun?
Kalima.
Okay. Get model latest. Model latest.
Magawa na ulit.
I have Gcash.
Men,
Just Gcash.
magkamukha men ah.
Zale. Zale?
Kamukha yan eh. Kamukha yan. Hindi pala yan. Nahanap ko na pala na yan. Kamukha men. Kamukha.
I would like to help. Thank you so much, Godzimon. Thank you for
Grandmaster Sprinkler.
want to help. God bless you more, sir Goziman. Hope I have a PayPal or a Cash App, but I have no one. Mag packet. Gosh, she doesn't have that help. Wait until she get monetized. Thank you, my team. Hi, team.
Madami ng kwarta ko. 1 trillion. Lumakilan ka na ako.
Well, I thought I asked.
Kasi lang,
Hi,
tawad
Paul.
ka
Good
rin
morning, Paul. Good morning there, Paul. How long you have been here? Just 59 minutes here. Almost 1 hour. Weeks.
Wow!
Weeks?
Ano yan?
Weeks?
Applied. Ano, may raccoon?
Me, he's talking to, okay. No, I'm talking her, not, and me. Almost 1 hour. 1 hour here. I'm back. Hi, channel. What time now? 3 p.m. here. Have a church. I have a mass. I attend later. See me if I see you in the street. Bang bang. Oh my god. Why? Why Gosiman? It's a joke. Why you say that? Hi Kadikoy Bog official. Hi Kadiko. Eliano. Oh. Hi Eliano. Gosi, you just earn a trip out of here. Thank you 35 people giving a thumbs up. Bye bye Gozi. Huh? Why? Because that asshole's not gonna cheat me. Mm, 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 mm. Hi. Suka suka kusing anatawe Indonesia dyan. What? From Indonesia. Thank you for watching 9 people here. Yes, I'm Filipina. Yes, I am. Are you from Philippines? Yes, I'm from Philippines. Hi, Ralph Passler. What is what are you saying? I don't understand. Sorry. Genzo, hi Genzo. Hey. Deutschland. Deutschland. Denmark. You don't understand. I can speak English. Dutch. Denmark. I think you are from Denmark. Teach, Zams, hi, kumusta? Hi, Kenso. Okay lang, Kenso. Ikaw, kumusta ka din? That's all I know in Tagalog. Ah, okay. Where are you from? Masama. Mahal kita. Where from, Kenzo? Fran Pozo Caballero, Felicidades, ang may what? Filipinas and Indonesia's people same, yes. Asian beauty. Asian and Philippine, same looks. Bombar style bloodbath. I'm also from Philippines. Channel. Okay. Nice to meet you, Channel. Ralph. I don't understand, Ralph. Can you translate it in English or Tagalog like that? I want to understand. Thank you. You speak Tagalog for I love Harry Aku. What? Mahal kong carry ako. Carry ako. Thank you, 15 people here. Thank you so much. English, guys, or go. We need to sleep, team. Soon I do, and I ended live because I'm going to church. 3 p.m. here. We need to sleep. Are you English or Tagalog? I'm Tagalog channel. Okay, I'll do. Bye bye, guys. Thank you for watching. I see you later tonight. Again, I do live. Thank you. Bye bye. Love you all. Bye bye. Oh my God.